Hey friends, if you cannot download a file from the internet, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. So go to fast.com and check the internet connection speed here. If it's good enough, then everything is fine. The next solution is to clear the browser cache. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, then select history and then select history once again. Click on delete browsing data. Check the time range at all time. Click on delete data. The next solution is to reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select settings from the menu and then go to reset settings. Click on restore settings to the original defaults. Reset settings and it will be done. And lastly, disable download manager and security extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and then manage extensions. If you find any download manager extension, then disable it and finally remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.